Welcome back to the GoMarble YouTube channel. Today we're going to talk about a very exciting feature. Now you can launch search ads right from GoMarble. Now this means it does everything for you. It does the keyword research, it goes to keyword planner, it pulls in all the data in terms of search volume, it figures out for your requirement what's the best keywords for you to run ads on. It might even go and look at the keywords of your other campaigns to figure out if there's no overlap, etc. Finally gives you a list of keywords, then writes the ad copy for you, and then takes the ad live. All of this just from the GoMarble platform within a few clicks. You do not even have to go to your Google Ads account, and this can happen in bulk at the same time. You can do it. Your next sale, your next launch, your next ad can be created way more faster on GoMarble. So let's get to it. We will run a test run and show you how it's done. So first, like this is the home page. Here we have select ad account. So I'm going to choose our test ad account so that we can run a test, and you can select how many ad accounts you want. You know how to select your ad account right here. Post that, let's type out our prompt. So let's say create a search campaign for people interested in shoes under $100. Okay, so why I'm giving them an idea of who, so that they know what type of keywords to look for when they do the search term keyword analysis and search term analysis. Okay, so simple prompt, one line prompt. Let's run it and let's see the magic that GoMarble does. So the first thing it's going to ask us is to turn on agent mode. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. You can just click on this and it'll happen. But also before you start, one more thing that you can do is you can go to tools and turn it on before you start typing out. Now the reason why, if you don't do it, it will show you. Now why do we have agent mode? Because if GoMarble makes any change on your ad account, it will first tell you through agent mode being turned on. So if agent mode is turned off, that means you have not given permission, so you do not have to worry that GoMarble will make any changes on your ad account. Now let's turn it on, because we are going to create a new campaign, right? And now the tool will start continuing and figuring out how to create a campaign. And as soon as we gave the details, it has built a plan. Let's kind of look at it. Basically it is search network only, maximize conversions, it's going to ask us about the geo. Language is done, budget also is going to wait on us. It also has pulled out some keywords. It's done the keyword research, it's pulled out a few keywords, given us match types, also given us negative keywords on stuff that might not be relevant, right? It also is building some headlines and descriptions for us, and it's going to ask us some questions so it can build the entire. Now these are just it's just telling us what the details. So let's get started filling the questions it's asking. So first it's asking you for the URL. Now I'm just going to put shoes.com because I don't really have a URL. It's going to ask me the daily budget, 500 works. It's asking me with India, sounds good, but let's say I want to do United Kingdom. I can just do that, and you can click on sub. Now it's going to pull all of these data, and now it's going to build the campaign. So first thing it has is a review. It's going to set up the campaign. You can look at more details here. You can look at the name, what is the location. It's going to start off paused always, still everything is fully done. You want to change anything, you can change it here. Then you have more details. Okay, anything about the different networks, just Google search. Sounds good. I'll click on approve and publish. After the campaign is set up, it will take some time and it will try to set up the ads. So there you go. It said campaign has been created successfully. There's a campaign ID has been generated from Google's side. Now what about ad groups with keywords? So let's just go to view and it's set up. We can see the keywords here, anything that you want. You can see any other information. I think everything looks good. Let's go and click on publish. Now finally the RSA, that is the final step, campaign ad group ad. Now we're finally at ad level, right? I think it made an error in terms of, one good thing about it is always fixes itself. It crossed the 90 characters, so then it immediately redid it and came back. So let's see, we have our headlines here, we have descriptions already done, If you don't like any of it, you can change it, but look at this, you can also edit it with AI. You can add more, everything that you want already created for you. All of this looks good to me. If I click on approve and create, we are more or less done. We literally started a few minutes back, maybe 2 to 3 minutes back, and our campaign has been fully created. Right, so it gives you a whole update on the keywords, the settings, everything. And usually it keeps it paused because it needs your final approval. So you can just say take it live or anything like that, or enable the ad, whatever you say. It will give you the final approval. Let's give it a second, and there you go. So finally it says this is the ad. You can preview it if you want. Status is pause. It will take it to enable. Sounds good to me. I'm going to publish this, and just like that, our campaign is now fully live. That's crazy, right? So in a few seconds, right, a few minutes, what we did is we went from having an idea to creating a campaign for people looking for affordable shoes to fully having a campaign live. Now, of course, you can use all the other features of GoMarble to work on, to keep building on this. A day later, you can come back and ask how it's doing. You can change the keywords. You can do search term analysis. You can ask them to keep adding keywords, negating some search terms, and you can keep building on this campaign day to day. So till now, we were helping you optimize it, analyze it, and we're helping you just figure out the right recommendations for next steps. Now we are right at the step of helping you create the campaign and also make changes to the campaign so that you do not even need to go to your ad account anymore. So this was the new feature, the Agent More feature for Google search campaigns, now live on GoMarble. You will need the max plan to activate it, but I'm sure it will be worth it. So check it out. If you have any questions, drop in the comments, and please like, share, subscribe, follow, all of the above. See you guys.